Imagine a world where every living being is a vibrant thread, woven into an intricate tapestry. This is the reality of our planet. In this VR journey, I want to share my personal discovery of this interconnectedness, a journey that changed how I see the world and myself. Like many, I struggle with feeling disconnected, even lonely. My family faces rare health challenges, which has made it even harder. I felt lacking in social skills, worried about judgment, and let insecurities hold me back. But something shifted. I decided to stop worrying about what others thought and let go of those insecurities. It was liberating. I started seeing people differently. Instead of focusing on potential judgment, I saw individuals, each loved and valuable, regardless of differences. It was like seeing the world with new eyes.
The backdrop is stunning.
Just like in nature, where diverse ecosystems connect beautifully, offering each other unique gifts. Spending time among the ancient redwoods this summer was transformative. These wise giants taught me a powerful lesson. True growth comes from connection. Their roots intertwine, supporting each other, reaching incredible heights together. They showed me the power of unity. Vinnie Tolman wisely said, "What we often don't see is that the same bedrock supports and connects all of us, and what lies beneath the surface is far, far greater than what we can see out on the surface." Imagine if all the creations worked together to become closer to joy from the light, without tearing each other down or resorting to fear as a motivator. Can you visualize that? We have the potential to create a ripple effect of love, connection, and support. By lifting others, we rise ourselves higher than we ever imagined. Like leaves on a single branch, we are all connected. Our destinies intertwined, our fates entwined. Let us nurture this connection, cultivate empathy, and extend kindness to all beings. For in unity, we find strength. In compassion, we find healing. And in interconnectedness, we find our true home. What connection will you make today? Share your thoughts and comments below. The Air Getaway, transporting you on beautiful immersive adventures using VR headsets. Please subscribe, like, and share with your friends. See you again real soon. Bye now.